So we came from there, we're going up to there, and then we gotta go wee there and wee there. So a bit to go yet. Good morning, human units. This is Martin here from SoleTrail. We've Jeremy from SoleTrail, who we've never seen before. The other half of SoleTrail is with me today. So we're taking a 13-kilometer hike up to Loch Curragh, to Dan Breen's cave, which I've never seen before. I'll explain about Dan Breen in a bit. We're going up the gully, Galtee Moor, Galtee Beg and Cush, and then back again. So a nice freezing cold hike today. There's a small bit of snow on top of the Galtees. It's tough already. Okay, let's get after it. So we arrived today, beautiful Loch Curragh, and over here somewhere is Dan Breen's cave, so just trying to find it. And then we're going up the gully here. It's a beautiful lake. I did a wild camp here over up top. It was my first ever solo wild camp, so I'll leave that linked at the end of this video so you can see it. Okay, let's go. So Dan Breen's cave. Dan Breen was a volunteer in the Irish Republican Army, the IRA. He was involved in the Solo Head Beg ambush. Himself and Sean Tracy, they ambushed and killed 2 British soldiers, which they say started the Irish Revolution. So I don't know why this is called Dan Breen's cave. I searched and searched and can't find anything. We'll just say that he had tea here or something. Okay, let's go in. This is very cool. Oh, 4-leaf clover. That was so cool. I've been at this lake so many times and never knew that was there. Okay, up the gully. It's a leg burner. Nice though. Just right there. There's a breeze that would cut through you. And it's freezing, so it's just because we're moving, but I'm definitely going to suit up here, get some warmer clothes on, because it's Baltic. There's no wind here and it's warm compared to that. Jeremy's still on his way up. If you don't know who Jeremy is, he's working behind the scenes all the time on SoleTrail, so he's working on the website a lot and you'll be seeing a lot more of him when we launch, but I'll leave him do that work and I'll do this work. I prefer this work. He can do that work. Don't tell him. So we're up at the Galtee wall. The Galtee wall is a 5-kilometre wall that was built in 1889. I could be wrong on that date. But it was the Dawson Macy estate and the Galtee Castle estate built it to separate their lands. Some history for you there now. Don't judge me. My lips get cold. That's why I wear lipstick all the time. I mean, chapstick. Interesting name. There is a cold going up Galtee Moor that would rip through you. just leaving Galtee Moor on our way to Galty Beg, then to Cush. So we're against the clock for daylight saving now, so we'll see how we get on. Huh? Oh my god, it's a leg burner. Galty Beg. I'll keep going. Oh, it's not milled down. Wow. Oh, man. The high cliffs of Cush. Very cool indeed. So we're parked all the way down over there. Okay, we better keep going. Oh, finally, back at the car. We beat the sunset. That was brilliant. So glad we saw the cave. So anyway, signing out for another adventure. So please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. And sure, we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe out there. Stay safe out in the mountain.